All right, we're going with a remix here for Module 7 update. All right, so here are the things that you need for your IRB application. Most of you have already turned it in, and just a handful of you haven't. We need to get on that so that we can get that moving. All right, so you need the IRB application with the first page signed by you. You need your informed consent form. You need the certificates, all 3 certificates of training for the city program. You need the interview template for both participants and counselors. And I have actually created an email, a recruitment email, because that's in the IRB. That's one of the ways you're going to recruit. And the IRB requires that you turn everything in. So I've been doing that for you and turning it in with your applications. I'll continue to do that for the handful of you that still haven't turned it in, and then I'll send it to you so that you have it. All right. So in terms of the project itself, you last week or week before in Module 6, you started learning about qualitative methods, and you really dug into narrative with an extra chapter to read and a voice thread. So that provides you with some learning on the narrative inquiry process. Now, when we get to that part, we're going to modify it a little bit. We're not going to go quite as in depth, not be quite as staunch with the methodology for this particular project, so that'll ease a little bit of your pressure, but still make something of good quality. So what I will continue to do is provide you more learning opportunities around what it is you're doing with narrative research, and we'll continue to learn about that and walk through that as we get closer. All right. Once your IRB is approved, then you can go ahead and start interviewing your population and your counselors. If you get questions back from the IRB or they want you to make modifications and you need some help, let me know. That's what I'm here for, to make sure that you've got it ready to go. All right, and then the last thing is with Module 7, we are beginning to critique articles. You have 2 that you will use every week for each section, and you only have to read a certain section each week and do your discussion board. You'll use the same 2 articles every week. I hope this is helpful, and I will talk with you soon.